Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hakman Traders. In this video I'm going to be telling you when to start trading in the stock market. Well, let's say you don't you, you're surfing through the internet and saw saw a stock trader saying that I've made $1 million in the first year while trading stocks. Well, that sometimes and it creates passion in you to start trading in the stock market. Well, first of all, before answering this question, know that if the stock trading is your thing or not. If you're comfortable trading in the stock market, you're comfortable trading, taking risks in the stock market. First, answer those questions from you. Stock market is not a product that you post online on Amazon or eBay, and if it won't sell, if it sell, you're going to profit from it, and if it doesn't sell, that product will remain with you. It's not that of type of thing. Stock trading is not that thing to consider, because it's a whole new game. At the beginning when I've started, I also lost some of the money, not a lot of, but some of the money, but later on I regained gained that money again, and now I'm comfortable trading in the stock market. For you, what should you do when you start when to start trading in the stock market? Well, first of all, know that if the stock market is your thing or not. To know that, first go ahead, watch the successful traders on YouTube or any other platform on the internet. What they say about the stock market. Learn what they say about the stock market, like how they made a fortune and how they lost their blown up their account. Go ahead and see all of them, uh, watch all of them, and also learn new strategies while before trading in the stock market, because that's the most important thing to know about. Learning a new strategy can be quite sometimes can be quite difficult, and if you're not sure, if you're still not sure of what to do, then uh, create a demo account in the forex market and start trading with that over here. Create a demo account, because forex trading and stock market is almost the same, but a little bit difference that forex is trading 20, some say 25 by 24 by 5, sorry, 24 by 5, and some say 24 by 6, 6 days in a week and 24 hours. I don't know exactly what are the timings, but if you still want to trade in the stock market, if you still want to trade in the stock market, then go ahead and open up a demo account. As you can see here, demo registration, all of the things, give your phone number, all of the things here, and submit. You'll receive a code or whatever it is, and you can start trading in the forex market. Apply the principle that you apply the strategy that you've learned online through YouTube or any other market, to any other stock trader. Also, come up with your own strategies as well. Now that's not possible in the beginning, but later on, as you are comfortable trading, then come up with your own strategy of where to buy and where to sell the stocks, certain stocks, because um, every trader come up with your own secrets as well of how to trade in the stock market, because every trader has their own secrets on how to trade. It could be either buy low or sell high, maybe some other study, like I've given as an example this. Maybe they say that if a stock touches the resistance level, comes near to it, then I'm going to sell those, close my position there. Then whatever your strategies, come up with your own. First of all, make a plan of how you're going to invest. If you want to know more about stock trading, go ahead and go through other of videos of mine and learn how to do that. Know the stocks which are most traded oftenly in the stock market, because if you buy a weak stock, it's going to lose you money, but if you buy a stock that is strong, then it definitely, you definitely gain fortune from it. Another thing is that you can also Like the YouTuber I've mentioned in the beginning of my video said, I made $1 million in 1 year out of the stock trading. That can be sometimes true, but that can be true because if you do your calculations right, you can gain a fortune of $1 million or 1 million euros, whatever your currency is. You can gain that, but sometimes there are also fake gurus out there like mm, who are like telling people that I did, and he became so motivated to invest and then lose all of his money. By the way, do your analysis right of whether this stock trading is your thing or not. That's the most important thing. If it is your passion or not. If it's not, then don't trade in the stock market. Um, don't risk your money in the stock market, because it can sometimes turns against a person's will of how turns against a plan, sorry, some, and can get him down at his lowest level. So, and also, do not if you still want to invest in the stock market, then do not invest all of your money in the all of your savings in the stock market. Invest a portion of it. A portion, by a portion I mean that it is not needed by you, like it is the money that I save, but I don't need this right now. Then go ahead and invest that. Invest small amount of money in it, like $500, something like that, the fourth um, 1/4 of your money in the stock market. Then if you're comfortable trading in the stock market, you will know how to trade, will know the basics of it, and will know different strategies with the passage of time, trading. Then you can, then if you want, you can shift to your career to the stock trading. Other than that, do not invest in the stock unless you know the basics, unless you know how to trade in the stock market, like what are the tricks that some traders used to trade in the stock market, because sometimes they can be caught up in their trading plans and can their lose their fortune. So do think about it, and consider my advice as well of what I've said in this video, because this video is especially for those who want to trade in the stock market and don't know how to do it. So don't jump into it blindly. Know everything before you do, and if stock trading is your thing, like go ahead and do it. Go ahead and start trading in it. But before that, learn new strategies and learn new strategies and backtest them, and then know everything of what can happen in the stock market. And also, if stock market is not your thing, if then don't go near it, because you're going to be losing risking your amount. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me.